are not good enough bubbles. Oh.
Don't do that.
Why not?
Just put it in and take it out.
Go.
That was a good one. Okay, let me see if I can upload it on post, whatever you call it.
On Instagram.
No, YouTube. Instagram doesn't have that.
Oh, I can't do that? Only pictures?
Only pictures.
Oh. No more bubbles.